Exercise 1.2, question number 2, fourth example. P implies Q implies P, equivalent to negation P implies Q. Here PQ statements, therefore in truth table PQ 2 columns, TTFF, Q columns, TF. Alternate. Firstly construct LHS, therefore firstly here Q implies P, construct open bracket Q implies P, then TF is F. Where is TF? Here first statement is true, second statement is false, then false, otherwise true, remaining are true. Only TF is F, remaining are true. Therefore again P implies this bracket, means P here and this bracket is here. P implies this bracket, therefore TF is F. Where is TF? No, therefore all are T, therefore LHS is all T. Then construct RHS, negation P construct here, therefore P column, then opposite is negation P, TT, FF, TT. Then negation P implies, construct this bracket firstly, P implies Q, P implies Q, then TF is F, TF is F here, remaining are true. Therefore only TF here, remaining are all true, and TF is F. Therefore this negation P and this bracket implies symbol, therefore negation P implies this bracket, TF is F implies, then TF is F. Where is TF? No, here TF is F, therefore all are true. Therefore this is the RHS, this is the LHS construct. All entries are same, TTT. Therefore all entries column number 4 and column number 7 are identical, therefore LHS is equivalent to RHS. Next example 5th, P disjunction Q implies R is equivalent to P implies R conjunction Q implies R. Here PQ are 3 statements, therefore PQ are 3 columns, therefore P 4 times T 4 times F, Q 2 times T 2 times F, 2 times T 2 times F, and R is alternate TF. Therefore firstly construct LHS, construct this open bracket P disjunction Q. In PQ column disjunction symbol, therefore in disjunction both are false, then false. Where is both are false? Here both are false here, therefore FF, remaining are all true. Again this bracket implies R, implies means TF is F. Where is TF? Bracket is T and R is F. Where? Here TF is F, again here TF is F, again TF is F. Red color here noted and denote here TF is F, and TF is F. Remaining are all true. This is the left hand side. Construct RHS. Firstly construct this bracket and this bracket and conjunction symbol in both. P implies R. Firstly construct P implies R. P and R column implies means TF is F. Where is TF? Here is TF, therefore F. Again here is TF, therefore F here, red color. Again no, only in this 4 cases TF is here and TF is here, therefore FF, and remaining are all true. Again Q implies R construct here, therefore Q implies R. Where is TF? Here is TF, therefore F. Again where is TF? Here TF is F, therefore here TF is F, and remaining are all true. In these 2 cases only Q implies R, TF is F and TF is F, remaining are all true. In these 2 bracket construct, then conjunction symbol in this bracket. Conjunction means both are true, then true, therefore both are T, therefore T, both are T, then T, both are T, then T, here both are T, then T, both are T, then T, remaining are false. Therefore this is the RHS, and this is the LHS. All entries are same, TT, FF, TT, FF, 7 TT and 8 entries is TT. Therefore LHS and RHS all entries are identical, and therefore LHS is equivalent to RHS.